Hey family, so I made it back, y'all. Made it back. I didn't go to Home Depot. I was right Home Depot was right in the parking lot with Aldi's, y'all. It was so cold. And so I just said, you know what? I had a couple more stops to make after I left Aldi. Which Aldi, when I left Aldi, I was supposed to go to Home Depot. Like I said, same parking lot. Pull out of one until they go to the next one. And I said, well, you know what? I'm gonna just come back to Home Depot because I was really getting tired and it was cold. So I ran at Burlington to exchange my earbuds, and these are really good. These Vivitars that I had got from there, but you know, they tell you how much they light up in the front, and they tell you what's the percentage of the battery on it once you charge them. But so that stopped working, and then one of them actually fell and broke. So I was like, I'm taking them back. So I took them back to exchange those. And anyways, ended up in Burlington a little bit longer than, I wasn't there a long time, but in there longer than what I expected in my camera cricket. But anyways, picking up stuff that I shouldn't have been picking up. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna hold on to this new receipt just in case these do the same thing. I still got my coat on. So I said, let me share with y'all what I purchased. Do a quick haul from Burlington and from the grocery store because I need to go, and I'm gonna run out and take the trash out real quick before I get comfortable. Because when I say it's freezing, it is, what did it say? It's 1 degree so far right now. 1 degrees. So this bag is Target. This was the headband. I was gonna take it back, and I haven't taken it back yet. So I put my mail in there when I came back up home. I ran out of tea today. I don't know if I told y'all that. And so, y'all know Burlington be carrying this tea, the Prince of Peace. And the last box that I had tried the turmeric kind. And so that's all they had in the store, and I ended up getting turmeric again. The turmeric, ginger, honey crystals. Really, really good. And but I normally get just the honey, the lemon honey ginger crystals. But they didn't have them. But since I tried these the last time, I end up just getting these. Normally, I go to the Asian store, grocery store, and I usually get the bag of them. It has 30 in the bag. It's only 10 in the box. But it was fine. So, in Burlington, besides, you know, the tea and returning my, you know, exchanging my earbuds, I ended up getting, I don't have, when I show y'all, look, let me just show you right quick. Let me unwrap this, and then I'm gonna show y'all what I got, and then so I can tell you that the only red that you see, the only red that you're gonna see. Okay, this is what I purchased. It was so cute, this cherry, okay? I'm like, is this an apple? Because if it is, let me look at my other one. Because no, it's a cherry because the stem is tall. I asked the lady, I'm like, wait a minute. Because the girl was like, that's a cute apple. And I'm like, apple? I thought it was a cherry. So the lady was like, no, it's a cherry. It's because of, so I think it's the stem. Okay. So I bought it because I wanted it to be a cherry. I wish it was two connected because I think cherries are so cute. I have the white pear. I got a white pear and a white apple up there on my refrigerator, on my vignette on the refrigerator. And I also have a large gold pear up there. And so I like fruit. Y'all know I like the artificial fruit, but I do want some more fruit, but I want them to be gold and maybe gold and white, or, you know, I just want them to be really pretty. I don't want them to be like the little plastic kind. But anyways, y'all, look, I still got my coat on. I told y'all already. I'm about ready to pull it off, but I don't want to do that because when I say it's cold, like I say, 1 degrees, I got to go take the trash out right quick. It ain't that much, but I got all off on something else. Somebody was just talking, I think Gabby, she was just talking about, she basically was trying to say what I tell people all the time. You know, like you be talking about one thing and then it's like you'll switch subject and talk about something else. Because my mind be going over 1,000 miles an hour at one time. I'm serious. I can have a whole conversation with you and I'll be everywhere else. My mind be here, and there. Seriously. I can stay focused on what you're saying, But sometimes I skip subjects when I'm talking. But anyways, this is the cherry. And the cherry is $5.99. And then I got the strawberry. The strawberry is $4.99. No, $5.99. They had these. They both came in all gold. Once I picked these up, I put them down and I said, let me look at the all gold ones. And I didn't like them because they kind of looked discolored. And I was like, this will just bring some color into my living room. I mean, my living room, into my kitchen. I don't have no red in here. But I was like, oh, here go the touch of Valentine's. Here go the touch of Valentine's right here. So I'm going to figure out where I'm going to put it. But I thought these was really cute. And, you know, I was just saying it because of the red for Valentine's Day. But y'all know. Because I didn't decorate for Valentine's Day this year up here. Only with the heart. And that heart wreath that I have that's not going to just be used for Valentine's. That's going to stay up there because I like it. Yeah. You know, heart. We got a heart. We got a heart. But the only red I have is the red, that picture that I had up there for years in my hallway. And I just love that picture. The colors. Just the way the picture looked. It's just really pretty. And I don't know if y'all remember me saying that I wanted to find some new pictures for my living room, my kitchen. I keep saying living room. And maybe these pictures need to go in my living room. Maybe that's what I'm telling me. But anyway, I wanted to find something that's framed and has a little bit more color in it. Still, I won't have my gold and white in there. And but I wanted to have some color, and I wanted them to be framed just like that one. I got that from Home Goods years ago. Probably the same year Home Goods had opened up. But anyways, these are really cute, y'all. So they'll match that. I might even put them closer over that way, but I don't know. And the other thing, last thing that I purchased from Burlington, I went on and on. On and on and on. Sorry about the noise, but y'all know what it is. And I got this. Not that I need another ginger jar, but I got this one. This little small one. Little gold one. And this was $12.99. Really cute, really in gold. Y'all know gold, that's the color. But I was going to put my white one out, which I still may. My little small white one that's about this size. I was going to pull that out to put, you know, try to create something on my table, or either pull it out and put it somewhere else in the kitchen. And I ended up getting this one, and so I don't know. My mind was kind of different places with it. I don't think I might not use my tray on the table when I style my table this time. When I don't know. I might do something different. But anyways, y'all. Okay. I think I put the receipt from this in my purse. Okay. So let's start with all these. I got some Little Debbie oatmeal cream pies. I got some Aldi brand Honey Crisp, honey wheat puffs. Y'all know, same thing. I done had it before. They're good. And I got some oatmeal and some minute rice. Then I got this right here. These spinach and church manicotti. I said spinach and what? Spinach and cheese manicotti. So I was thinking about, I was gonna make these tonight because I had a taste for pizza. I just had a taste for some like saucy stuff, and I wanted some pizza. So I was like, I might just get these. I might as well get these, and just, you know, I got some marinara sauce, and I might just make some shrimp to you know, top these off with the sauce, and then some Italian cheese. That's what I might do today. So I don't know, but I got these right here, and I got some vinegar and salt potato chips, some chili lime skins, green onion. I got me some tricolor 3 cheese tortellinis. Red grapes. Southwest salad. And got some spaghetti squash. I got a couple of these. So I cut them in half. These are not that big, but I'm going to still cut them in half. So it'll be 4. Because I never had it and I want to try it. And I got some eggs. Because when I went to Walmart the other day and picked up a few things, I was going to get some eggs, but baby, who ain't finna pay almost $8 for no carton of eggs is me. I said, they crazy. These people are really, really taking advantage of whatever they can take advantage of. The price gouging has been number 1 on the list for the longest. Hold on, y'all. Okay. So I got me 1 can of pink salmon. Gonna make some salmon croquettes. I got some peanut butter, ranch, some of the same stuff I just bought the other day. I got some Jell-O, yogurt, oil, some yogurt. And this is the other spaghetti squash. Them things are hard. Whew, I know they said they are hard to cut. So to bake them first or something. Put olive oil on them and bake them. I got some flounder fish. I don't know if I ever tried it before, but I ended up getting that from Errands. And I got some honey gold potatoes, the little small ones. Got my avocados, y'all. I got some cucumbers, red onion, lettuce, bell pepper, and some salmon. So I'm getting ready to, nope, hold on. Hold on. From Sheridan Plaza, I got me a pack of hog jaw. That country meat there. And I got some chicken, bone-in chicken breasts. Bone-in. Got a pack of pork steaks with the bone. And dang, they rolled it. They done went all the way. So got some country style ribs. They done pushed all together. Some country style ribs. Cause sometimes, you know, you just wanna season up your ribs and stuff and put them in the oven versus having to, you know, clean them, put them on the grill and all of that stuff. I don't always want to do that, okay? But anyways, y'all, I just want to share that with y'all. So, like I said, I didn't stop at Home Depot, which I should have. I got the drawer in my trunk, and I just, like I said, just need, I don't need just some little thin plywood. I just want to cut it because, you know, the drawers was actually broke anyways. The front of the drawers was broke, and they didn't pull out. The one didn't pull out. So I just wanted to, because I'm using it as a TV stand, and I've been using it as a TV stand, but since I'm painting it and getting it together, I said, well, I'm going to pull all of that stuff out of there and get the plywood, set it there, like paint all of the wood that's showing that's in there, paint that black, and then paint the plywood black, and just set it on top. Let's just slide it in, set it on top in there. You know what I mean? So it you don't see the hole, like going to the next part of the drawer, the drawer up under it. So, and then I went to Habitat to get some handles. bye.